Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. I kind of decided on a whim that I'm gonna do Vlogmas this year, so welcome. I don't actually understand.
I can take a shit.
Okay, have fun. I always think you're supposed to vlog every day of December up until Christmas, and then you like stagger the vlogs the day after. But apparently you're supposed to start on the 30th, which I didn't do, so my Vlogmas is already wrong, but I'm still gonna do Vlogmas. Anyway, I went out for brunch this morning with my mum and Corpo. I'll put the footage in here, but I had a chia pudding thing. No, it wasn't a chia pudding, it was oats, and it was so yum. And we just went shopping, and I want to show you guys what we got. So, how cute are these? I'm pretty sure we didn't need eggs, but this packet is just so cute. And we buy free range, and these are like nice girthy eggs. And then, that's not mine, I don't eat vegetables. This is just like, you know, kind of what we buy for shopping. I don't know. I don't eat gravy. That's not mine. Gelatin for our jellies. Halloumi cheese because it's so delish. You guys are like, wow, this is thrilling. I know. Those potatoes are mine. And then this is mine. I need your opinion. Vegemite or Marmite? Please let me know. I got some sour cream in there because I am having nachos. And then we just get standard milk because Hazel's keto and she drinks the most milk, and that's got higher fats, that's why we get that one. Chorizo pasta for our chicken chorizo. This is our favourite. Got a whole chicken here. I try to buy happy chickens. But yeah, we're just going to have roast chicken with potatoes, hence the potatoes. And then on the menu this week is also some schnitzel. We're going to have chicken, lemon pesto pasta with chicken. And some beef burgers. These are my snack of choice. I love the Pascal's brand. Jalapeno corn chips. We had to buy a light bulb. This was like 15 bucks. Like, excuse me. And oh yeah, we got some new bay leaves. Thrilling. They can see your foot. I'll cover your foot. Oh man, you guys can tell I was so prepared for this haul, eh? Oh, these are really yummy. Brown rice sticks. These are delicious. They also have sweet chili, which I saw today. Panko for our schnitzel. Rice for rice. These are Hazel's. I won't have a part of that. And then I got this because I'm feeling naughty. And then this is a spice mix that I use with my nachos because it's actually nicer than the nacho mix or the taco mix. If you guys have been following my weekly vlogs, you would know that I've been using natural deodorant, and the one that I use works so well, but if I forget to wear it, like, there's nothing else that I can use because I don't want to use normal deodorants because they all have aluminium in them. But I found this one at the supermarket, and it's called Soft and Gentle Antiperspirant, 0% aluminium, and it's actually not that natural. Like, there's still a whole bunch of like stuff I can't read in it, so this is going to be the one that lives in my car or my gym bag for like those days that I don't wear it, because I would rather stay like majority natural, so I'll just use this one sometimes. So I meal prepped this, and I completely forgot to show you guys. I had every intention to show you, but it's basically just chicken nachos because that's how I have my meal preps. And then in here I've got my chicken, no that's not chicken, my chips. And then I'm just going to put some sour cream in one of these little guys, so I can do like 1 serving of sour cream in here, and then I put that in the microwave, dump this on top, eat it with, you know, the chips. So yeah, that's the plan for lunches. Also making Corpu's meal prep. So in here we've got some rice, and then this is basically like a cheesesteak recipe, like a Philly cheesesteak recipe. It's supposed to be like, oh no, it's sloppy joes that are like Philly cheesesteak style. They're supposed to have cheese, duh, but I'm not going to put the cheese on. It's just a really nice spice mix. That's what like the sauciness this just has to reduce, and he's having that with rice in 4 portions. So yeah, I like to meal prep on a Sunday. I do his as well because I don't really care. Yeah, that's what that is. So Hazel and I have semi-spontaneously decided to go and get a Christmas tree. So we're just going to Albany. We're just going to get a fake one because they last ages and they're cheaper than a real tree. And I don't actually know if I'm allergic to Christmas trees.
The house is too hot anyway.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't live in our house. Our house is really humid, but I actually don't know if I'm allergic. We've only ever had a real tree once, and I don't remember whether or not it gave me hay fever, because I wouldn't be surprised if it did. But anyway, we're going to Kmart. I'll show you guys when we're in there. I actually will. I normally don't because I have my hands full of clothes, but I'm not going to buy clothes today. I'm totally going to buy clothes. I want one of these, but Hazel won't buy it for me. It's like up to my hips. Christmas is here, bitches. Look at how cute these are. And that one's boring. And then, oh, we're getting it. Fa la 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 llama. Yeah. Put it in the cart. Bring it back. Okay.
Tree we going for then?
This one. So this is our tree.
Oh, do we actually get a tree?
Yeah. This is the Kmart H tree in case you guys want to pick it up. And then this, please excuse the hole in my sock. These are all the ornaments. So these were 10. These were $2.50. 6. Yeah, it was upside down. $6. $2. How much are these ones? $3.05 or something like that. As you can see, we went for mostly silver but some gold. These were the most expensive other than the tree because they were lights. And then Hazel likes star toppers. Can you guys comment down below if your family is a star topper or an angel topper family? Because my family was always an angel topper. Corby, what did your family have on their Christmas tree?
We didn't have one, but my uncle cut down a tree. It was pretty mean. Thanks, Warnie.
Hazel made us a delicious roast chicken with roast potatoes, and I have sour cream. It's the best condiment, don't come at me. Here's a close-up of our handiwork. As you can see, we probably haven't done a Christmas tree in quite a few years. I think it looks good. It looks bald down here, but it's actually alright.
It's just that they have it a bit nuts.
I think it's cute. It looks good. It's 100% Kmart. Yay! Yes. And that brings us to the end of our first Vlogmas vlog. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. We're about to just chill out now and watch a movie. We're not watching a Christmas movie. I'll put down here the movie that we end up watching. But yeah, I'm really excited. I hope you guys are excited for Vlogmas as well. If you have any questions for me, like anything, Christmas, fitness, my life, beauty, whatever, leave them down below because I'm thinking some of these videos might get a little bit short when I'm like at work and I'm busy and stuff like that. They might not be that long. So leave some questions down below just to help me fill out the vlogs. And if you have anything that you want to see me do in this series, please let me know down below as well. I love you guys so much. Thank you again for watching. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow with another Vlogmas video. Bye.